I got a package from Axiland Rhinestone Depot. Let's open it. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sean. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I made or placed an order with Axiland Rhinestone Depot, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I got and then what I plan on creating with everything that I ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this box open and then I'll start pulling everything out. All right, so I have everything open, well, the box open. So let's start pulling out everything. And I'm gonna just set that on the floor for now. And this is just my packing slip. So yeah, it's 2 pages. I ordered a lot. So first, I got their puff vinyl, their 3D puff vinyl, and I got it in black, navy blue, and red. I had used puff vinyl years ago, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I wanted to try Axiland's vinyl, and this is the brand of their vinyl. So that is it. I'm gonna set my packing list off to the side. Oh, and actually I got it in white too. So I got it in black, navy blue, red, and white. So, and I plan on making some 3D puff sweatshirts with this. And just take that out. And I also got their transfer paper for the vinyl. So I purchased a roll of that. Actually, I purchased 2 rolls of that. Y'all, I completely forgot what all I ordered. Honestly, I just be adding to cart. So, I also got some more Hotfix tape. So, if you are looking for some really good Hotfix tape, I believe this is 50 yards. Wait, let me double check. I don't want to give y'all the wrong information. Yeah, this is 12.5 by 50. So this roll will last you a very long time. So if you're looking for Hotfix tape, I would suggest this one. And of course, I got some of their transfers. So let me get this box out the way. And I'm gonna move the transfer tape off to the side. So first, let's start off. I got some rhinestones and some of their newer rhinestone drawstrings that I wanted to try out. So let me open this up. Okay, so as far as rhinestones, I got some more of their Crystal X, CRYSTAX. So this one is black SS10 Hotfix. And then I got a purple, and this is violet SS10 Hotfix. I also got sapphire, also SS10 Hotfix, and cyan, or like a reddish color, also SS10 Hotfix. So those are all the colors of the Hotfix rhinestones that I got this time. And again, their rhinestones, not just their crystal AB stones, but all their rhinestones have really, really good quality. So that is why I highly recommend them. I've been shopping with them for years, and I've never had any issues with the quality of any of their products. So these are the drawstrings. And here we go. I want to open this. Well, actually, I open a red one. It'll probably show up better. So Normally I'll have to grab one. So basically you're gonna put it through your hoodie or your waistband or whatever, but it's a flat drawstring with some rhinestones on there, and I like that. So I wanted to give these a try, put them in a hoodie, see how they look. And I like that, you know, they still have some bling on there, but they're not too much, like these stones here, or these drawstrings here that I have from them. So like these ones here, and let me take this one out. Now I love these drawstrings, the rhinestone drawstrings that they have. So you see this one is, you know, more round, but they're really pretty. But I just wanted to see how the flat one will look. And I think those will look really cute on a hoodie. So I'm going to definitely be making a hoodie with my vinyl and the drawstring, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on it. So stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna just set this off to the side. And so as far as the drawstrings, I got red, I got black, and navy blue. As you can see, I'm kind of going with a theme here. I got black, red, blue vinyl, and pretty much even my stones are black, red, and blue. So I already had some ideas of some designs that I wanted to make using these particular colors. So that's why pretty much everything is black, red, and blue. And now moving on to their, I might have to get, hold on one second. I gotta get something to cut this. Moving on to the transfers. Just want to make sure I don't cut through anything other than the tape. Okay. So these are the transfers that I got. So this is the one when I was there a couple months ago. I was trying to decide between this one and this one, and I still ended up getting this one because I don't know, I like Medusa. I love how the Medusa designs, the transfers look, but this is one of, oops. Okay, so this is one of the Medusa ones that I also saw last time, and I couldn't decide between this one, and I ended up obviously getting this one, but still wanted to have this one. So I'm going to put this one on a hoodie, most likely. This one here, this one's real cute. Last time I was there, I sent a picture of this to my daughter. It's like, hey, do you like this? And by the time she responded, we were already back in the car on the highway. So I ordered this one. So I'm gonna put that on a hoodie for her. And this one's for my husband. Now he loves his skull transfers, and then he loves like tigers and lions as well. So I got this one for him, which I thought was really cute. Now this one I'm really excited for because I'm actually going to put these on jeans. So I'm actually going to bling out some jeans, and look at this transfer, y'all. Look at that. How beautiful that is. I'm like, okay, yeah, putting this like down my pants leg and add a little bling around the pockets, you know, something to that effect. I haven't really planned it out yet, but I just knew when I saw this is going on one of my pants legs. So, and this one is a pretty long one. It's like 16 inches in length. And so I'm kind of gonna probably wrap it around one of my pants legs. So that is everything that I ordered. Everything came to about, I want to say $240-ish. So I got see 4 transfers. The snake transfer was 16. The Medusa was 12. The smiley face was 16. And the tiger was 12. I forget exactly how much the rolls of vinyl are, but their vinyl is very inexpensive and it is quality vinyl. So I haven't used their 3D puff vinyl, but I have used other vinyls from there, and I can say that they're quality. But I will leave a link below if you use that link, or I'll also put the discount code up on the screen. If you use that discount code, you'll get 15% off of your total order. So anything in their store, you'll get 15% off if you use that coupon code. So I'll make sure to leave both the coupon code and the link in the description box. The drawstrings, you know what? I don't even have the prices for these. Let me see. They're not on here. I just wanted to double check and see. Yeah, they're not on here. So I'll drop the prices. I'll also have everything linked below in the description box as well, in case you're interested in the vinyl, or you want some transfers or their drawstrings, and especially their rhinestones. Their rhinestones do not miss. So I highly suggest them. I have been for years and I will continue to do so. But I'll leave links to everything below in the description box. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to me. Or if you have any questions regarding any of Axiland Rhinestone Depot's supplies or anything that they carry, you could definitely reach out to them as well. You can give them a call. They also have a chat feature on their website that you can use, and they're very responsive. They're pretty quick at responding when you send them a chat message while you're shopping on their website. So I'll have all that information below, but I will have some more videos coming showing you as I'm pressing and designing and creating things. My first project is going to be, well, I'm not sure, first, second, but it's going to be the bling pants, and then one of the sweaters with the vinyl puff, 3D puff vinyl, and then the flat drawstrings. So I can show you the difference of how it looks with the flat versus the more rounded, fully bling drawstrings. So I will have videos coming for that soon. But thank y'all for watching my unboxing, seeing everything that Axiland Rhinestone has, and they have so much more. So definitely check them out. But I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.